Why does packing cause so much anxiety? Let's break it down. Upcoming travel means you're going to be out of your everyday environment. You're going to be facing the unknown and the unpredictable. You're not going to have the same amount of control that you do at home. And packing can feel like this one thing that we still have control over. Travel tends to create a lot of pressure to have the best time ever, to make it all worth it, the time off, the money, the effort, and we can worry that bringing the wrong things is going to ruin that experience. When we have a trip coming, there's already a lot of emotion and energy being stirred up. So we're heading into packing already kind of revved. It's very easy for excitement to shift into anxiety. Those two emotions are physiologically very similar. So, what are we supposed to do with all of that? Start early and take small steps. When a task feels really big and overwhelming, it's actually pretty normal to avoid it. By breaking things down into much smaller, easier to complete, and accessible steps, we're less likely to procrastinate. If you're not sure where to start, there are some great tools out there: lists, apps, ways to organize yourself around packing. And often these already start breaking things down for you into categories like important documents, electronics, toiletries, so you can wrap your head around what it means to create smaller steps out of packing. But even with the best laid plans, anxiety can still creep in. I've known plenty of experienced travelers who still get anxious when they're preparing for a trip. Sometimes it's less about having the perfect strategy and more about noticing and honoring your emotions along the way. Don't wait until you're in a panic the night before to consider how you're feeling. That's something else I love about the start early and take small steps approach. It gives you a lot of opportunity along the way to pause, reflect, notice what you're feeling, and take care of yourself when you need to.